Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are feeling good, happy, fresh. Your minds are all very fresh and you all are energetic in the morning. Yes? Now, which day is this? Today is the second day of week 16th, right? This is your 16th week, and today is the second day of week 16. Here, I am taking your literacy class, right? Now, tell me, students, what was the topic that we did yesterday? Yes, we did comprehension of wheels. Remember, you have done the story of wheels, that why wheels are important. Yes, why they have a importance in our lives. Why? Because they help us to travel, and so that is why they have given us a story, so that it explains the importance of wheels in our lives, right? Now, today what we are going to do is, today we are going to do some grammar part, right? Now, tell me, students, what you did yesterday. You did your homework, you played with your cousins and friends, all right? Okay, so do you have any plans for your vacations or over the weekend? Do you want to go somewhere over the weekend, or do you have any plans for that? You want to visit your uncle. Okay, so you are planning to go there over the weekend? Very good. All right. So that means, children, you all have your own families, right? Some of you might be having two brothers and sisters. Some of you might be having five brothers and sisters. And you all have your parents, your mom, your dad, your grandmom, your grandfather, your brothers, your sisters. So what are they? They are all your families, because they are all related to you. They all have a relationship with you, right? So they are your families. In the same way, we have word families. Now, why we have word families? Because they are, as I've explained you all are interrelated. You are related with your brothers, you are related with your parents, right? Because they are your families, right? And because of that relationship, you might resemble with them. If you are standing, you and your brothers are there, and you are standing, so you can, anyone can easily guess that you are brothers and sisters, because you have familiar features. You have some things which are common. Yes, because you are a family. That is why you have things. Some of you might be just like your mothers. Some of you might be just like your fathers. So you all are family. You all have some things which are common in with you and your family members, right? In the same way, we have word families. Now, these word families, why do we call them word families? Because they have something common in them. Now, I'll share my octopus picture. Now over here, you can see there are lots and lots of words written, right? Now, what you have to do, you have to find out the same pattern word, right? Like suppose you have to find out the, yes, the word family from these words, right? Suppose the first, now I'll read it out for you. Now you can see visit, back, quicker, careful, enjoyable, grateful, great, quick, visiting, enjoy, visitor, quickly, packed, and care, right? So you see that these are words which have similar words with them. Now, what are those? You can see here, visit, yes, visitor or visiting, they are even one word family. Do you understand? Pack, packed, packing, they are another word family, right? Now, then comes quicker, quick, quicker, quickly, these are another word family. You understood? Now, then comes careful, care, careful, carefully, these are another word family. Then comes enjoy, enjoyable, enjoy, enjoyable, enjoying, these are another word family. Then comes grateful. Great, grateful, gratefully, right? These are another word family. Then visiting, visit, visiting, visitor, another word family. Enjoy, we have done. Pack, packed, packing, these are another word families. So these are all different word families because they have one thing or the other in common, right? You understood? Now, if you open your Nelson English book, page number 63, there you find different words like they have said, copy these words, underline the same part found in each word, like cycle, bicycle, care, careful, pack, packed, enjoy, enjoyable, visit, visitor, quick, quicker. Now what you are going to do, you are going to add one more family word to these words. Now you have to write down in your notebook in the same way like they have written, like the first one they have already done, like cycle, bicycle, tricycle. So in the same way you are going to do care, careful, carefully. You understand? Three words. Then pack, packed, packing, like that. So there are six of them. So I'm going to give you 8 minutes for this task because we have to do two grammar tasks in this class. So quickly, do it fast and your time starts now. All right, time is up. Let's check what you have done. Till pack we have discussed. Now what you have done for enjoy, enjoyable, enjoying. Very good. Visit, visitor, visiting. Very good. Quick, quicker, quickly. Very good. Good job. Very nice. Now, this was about the word family. Now, the second one is about speech marks. Now, what are speech marks? Have you ever seen these type of marks over here like this? Have you ever seen like comma? Two commas on top, then two commas over. These are called speech marks. Now, when do we use these speech marks? You see what speech marks are whenever we are telling something in that person's own way. Like suppose we use speech marks when we write the actual words that someone has said. You understand? We use speech marks when we write actual words that someone has said. Like suppose the father said, "Oh, we have got a punctured," said dad. We have got a puncture, said dad. So we have got a puncture will be written in inverted commas in with the speech marks. Do you understand? Now in the same way, what's wrong, said mom. Like you say, what's wrong, said mom. So she said, what's wrong? So this what's wrong, I'm going to write with the speech marks with inverted commas. Do you understand? With speech mark, what's wrong? Because it was said by the mom. Like suppose if I say, do your work, said the teacher. So what am I going to write down? Do your work with the speech marks. Do your work, I will write this under the speech marks, said the teacher. You understand? So these are the speech marks which you have to understand. Now I'm going to write it down few of them and then you can copy the same things in your notebooks. Okay, ready? There you go. Okay, the first one is I'll lock the door, comma, said mom. Now, I lock the door, said mom. So where am I going to put the speech marks? Over here. Yes. Here and here. Like this. I lock the door, said mom. Understood? Second one is, I'm looking forward to I am looking forward to our holiday, comma, said dad. Now what dad said, I'm looking forward to our holidays. So what am I going to put with the speech marks? Yes, from starting from I am till holiday, right? So you understood how you are, it is actually the actual words of the person who has said. Whenever we are writing something which is said by anyone, so we always try use speech marks and write in an inverted commas. Do you understand? Okay. Now your task for today, another task actually is that you are going to do part A and B, which is given on page number 60, yes, 63. Not A and B, only B you are going to do. You have to write down add the speech marks over here. These are 4 sentences. So I'm going to give you 6 minutes for this task and your time starts now. All right. Hands up. Time is up. All right. Come on. Let's check what you have done. Now the first one, I have loaded the suitcases, said that. Where you have written speech mark? Correct. From I have till suitcases. Very good. Second one, I have checked that windows are closed, said mom. Where you will start speech mark from? I have till closed. Very good. And the last two ones was, I locked the door, said mom. This was we have all this one we have already done, so you must have done in the same way. So remember that the punctuation after the spoken words should go before the second set of speech marks. Okay? So remember the speech marks that we have done, how it is written and when are they written. They are written when a person, these are actually the actual words of the spoker, whoever has spoken something. So these are the actual words. So that's why we write them in, we using the speech marks, right? So this was the first task that we did. Second task, what was the first one that we have done? We have done about the word families. So do remember these two tasks that we have done, the word families and the speech marks. And do remember to do your homework. Your homework will be on your portal. It will be related to your workbook page. So I hope you must have understood something. You must have understood the word families and you must have understood the speech marks. Okay, class? So see you later in your science lesson. Bye-bye.